Hey everybody, it's the Reverend Boots. Today we're unboxing the Shark Freestyle Apple Watch leash. Pretty cool band, let me tell you. My coupon code, Unholy Leash, because why wouldn't it be? I'll put a link in the bio to take you right to the Freestyle website. You also can buy watches there too. So, I got two. I went old school, and I went with a pretty cool, newer color. The old school. Here it is, the Neon Wave. This is literally the watch band I used years and years and years ago when I was running around Dewey Beach. It has that Miami Vice sticker. I like it. Bringing back the old school again. All of these leashes are for the regular Shark Freestyle watches or the Apple Watch. So they come with the original pins. You could just disregard them because you have to buy a adapter for the Apple Watch. But look how cool it is. I mean, it's just like it was, well, how many years ago? The adapter. With the adapters, I would suggest getting one for every band you buy. It's only $10 extra. This one I bought just because I sort of dug the colors. But as you see, pretty much same packaging. A newer sticker, or a different sticker, I guess you would say. And it has the original pins for the original Shark watches. If you notice on the back, it actually gives you some instructions. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, people. So, let's put this Apple Watch adapter on. When you get these, you take the pins, the longer pins, slide them right through the end, and then they clip on just like any other watch. It's retractable, you know. I used my fingernail, pulled it down. Took me about a minute, but I have big hands. Most people could probably do it in 30 seconds. You make sure your ends are right, or the right direction. So that's about it. If you like the music in the background, check out the artist Blood Law, the album Warhorse, available on all streaming platforms. Well, there it is, the Neon Leash Freestyle Apple Watch Band. Link in my bio for a discount code, and I'll take you right to the website.